You know, I can make a hike teaser.
Would I reach already, you know?
I wanted to do that, but they said they didn't have any
I mean, like now I could just. Hey. When me mash up my suspension and thing, where are sitting? Me say me not chance it. It's not a. Me not chance it. Not follow nobody. Me good, man. Me good. On myself. Love the scenery here, see. See how quick we reached down? Wasn't so bad. So when somebody score a goal down there, so you know, we just go. Why? Yeah. If we wake up to see this site every day is good though. Mountain side here, real nice. Morning. Afternoon, yes. Huh? Yeah. Excited, right?
No, I'm just wondering why we're going down to go up.
Yeah.
change our mind.
Yeah, because this is just too easy. We're just going down, you know. Oh boy, she's in for something. We're going down to go up. That was so good. Not too bad, eh? Kinda. It's flowing, but it's not so bad. Whoa. Huh? Woo. So we'll check both sides, right? Awesome. So this is where the trail begins. Yeah. Oh, crap.
You got that?
No, man, yeah.
Oh.